Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing video. So for today we are checking out this Chevy key fob. So this is for Chevys 2015 to 2020. Make sure you check the listing out, make sure your vehicle is compatible before you get this. That way you know once you get it, it will work. So we're gonna go ahead, show you guys this. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the key fob. You got these chrome side rails. Pretty cool looking. So you have your unlock, lock, and panic button. And then you have this symbol. So I have not ever had a vehicle that's newer than 2008. So you got the top symbol there. So you guys probably know what that is. My vehicles are all older, but that's pretty nice, pretty sharp looking. We got this for when we get a newer truck. That's our goal, is to get rid of our 1998 Explorer, go with a 2015 or newer Chevy. So kind of jumping the gun, getting the key fob ahead of time, but overall it is nice. I like the chrome, I like the accent. You can put it around a key ring. Overall, what do you guys think?